In 1909, Paris was buzzing with excitement as Gustave Eiffel prepared his famous tower for its 20th anniversary. But one cold October night, something strange happened. The lights that usually bathed the Eiffel Tower in a golden glow suddenly went dark. At first, Parisians thought it was a simple electrical fault. But in the shadows, a small group of anarchists had climbed the tower's service ladders, cutting wires and leaving behind cryptic messages demanding freedom from industrial oppression. They believed the tower symbolized the machine age swallowing human spirit. Police scoured the city, but the culprits vanished without a trace. The Eiffel Tower remained unlit for 3 days, and whispers spread through Paris about ghosts in the iron. To this day, no one knows who the saboteurs were, or how they managed to slip past guards, scale the tower, and disappear into the Paris night. Follow for more true stories you won't find in your history textbook.